Hi kids, good morning, and today I am here and today I am going to start. Today we have to do book work of chapter number 3 in English grammar, and the name of the chapter is Parts of a Sentence, Subject and Predicate. So in my previous class we had learned about parts of a sentence, subject and predicate. So get ready with your pencil and eraser and open your book, page number 12. I am going to start. Look here. Encircle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. So we have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. First sentence is the horse ran in the field. So we are talking about horse. The horse ran in the field. So now encircle the subject and underline the predicate like this. A large number of swimmers competed in the race this year. So a large number of swimmers is a subject. So now I am going to encircle the subject, and competed in the race this year is a predicate. The dogs barked at the strangers. The dogs barked at the stranger. So the dogs is a subject and barked at the stranger is a predicate. Amar and Ruhi worked very hard on their project. So Amar and Ruhi. In this sentence we are talking about Amar and Ruhi. So ये subject है and worked very hard on their project is a predicate. We should help the poor. हमें poor की यानी गरीबों की help करनी चाहिए. So we is a subject and should help the poor is a predicate. Dinner will be ready in 15 minutes. So dinner is a subject क्योंकि हम डिनर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और सब्जेक्ट के बारे में क्या बात हो रही है? डिनर के बारे में क्या बात हो रही है कि वो 15 मिनट्स में रेडी हो जाएगा. So this is a predicate. The little boy is sweeping the floor. So little boy is a subject and subject क्या कर रहा है? फ्लोर को स्वीपिंग कर रहा है. Daniel can come with us for the movie. So Daniel is a subject, can come with us for the movie is a predicate. Now next is choose a subject. अब यहाँ पर predicate दिया हुआ है, आपको subject choose करके fill करना है. Choose a subject from the box to complete each sentence. So subjects are my notebook, a buzzing bee, a grey dolphin, my mother, my closet, a plant, the eye specialist, the spaceship. Now first is dash is filled with stories that I wrote. Dash is filled with stories that I wrote. So my notebook. My notebook is a subject. Second is dash was upset because I broke her favorite was. her favorite vase. So here is my mother. Yes, my mother was upset. My mother was upset. So here is my mother was upset because I broke her favorite vase. Dash jumped in the sea. Dash jumped in the sea. A grey dolphin. A grey dolphin. Next is dash landed the UFO. Dash landed the UFO. The spaceship. The spaceship. Dash needs soil, water and sunlight to grow. So a plant needs soil, water and sunlight to grow. Dash checked my eyes. Eyes को check किया. किसने check किया? The eye specialist. Next is dash has lots of clothes in it. My closet. Dash looked for nectar in the flower. A buzzing bee. A buzzing bee. Now next is choose a predicate from the box to complete each sentences. अब प्रीवियस जो हमने अभी डन किया है वर्क, इसमें क्या है? इसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं था और प्रेडिकेट था. इसमें सब्जेक्ट है लेकिन हमें प्रेडिकेट फिल करने हैं. ओके. Barked all night long, watered his plants, furled with the wind, attacked at all the crickets, cut the boy's hair, fixed the sink, slept in her cot, flew the aeroplane. The plumber, first is the plumber. अब प्लम्बर का क्या वर्क होता है? वो टैप वगैरह सबको रिपेयर करता है. The plumber fixed the sink. So plumber is the subject. Now what the subject is doing? Fixed the sink. Full stop. Okay. Now next is the lizard. The lizard is a subject and what the lizard is doing? Lizard क्या कर रही है? The lizard attacked. Lizard ने attack किया है. At all the crickets. Full stop. The flag furled with the wind. James' baby sister, now the answer is slept in her cot. Slept in her cot. The barber cut the boy's hair. The barber cut the boy's hair. The little puppy, what did the little puppy do? The little puppy barked all night long. The pilot flew the aeroplane. The gardener watered his plants. Next is filling the blanks and identify the sentences, subject and predicate. The sun sets in the west. This is a sentence. The sun sets in the west. ये complete sentence है. So here are question. What sets in the west? What sets in the west? The sun. The sun sets in the west. So we are talking about, हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The sun. This means that the sun, क्योंकि हम sun के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो sun क्या है? The sun is the subject of the sentence. Sentence का subject है. What does the sun do? What does the sun do? Sun क्या करता है? The sun sets in the west. These words tell us something about the sun. These words tell us something about the sun. This means the word sets in the west is the predicate of the sentence. I shall study Hindi today. I shall study Hindi today. आज मैं हिंदी पढ़ूंगा. Subject I, predicate shall study, Hindi today is a predicate. Okay. She climbed the steps. So subject is she, and climbed the steps is a predicate. Now next is, here are some subjects with the matching predicates of the sentence. Read the parts carefully and match them by drawing a line. So I am ready. The man. So the options are: the man has many leaves. No. Sat on the flower. No. Took me to the doctor. No. Has a big mustache. Yes. So wait. Next is a spider. So a spider has many leaves. Sat on the flower. Took me to the doctor. So the answer is spun a web. Next is my mother. So my mother took me to the doctor. The girls. So what the girls are doing? The girls played a game. A ship sails on the ocean. A cupboard has lots of cloth in it. And next is a bee sat on the flower. And a tree has many leaves. Okay. Now the bookwork has completed. Now what you have to do? Ma'am will be sending the assignment. और जो भी important part है मैम आपको send करेंगी वो आपको अपनी fair notebook में करना है. Is that okay? And I hope you liked and enjoyed the class today. And we have learned lots of things today about sentence, about subject and about predicate. So now the next topic is the comma. So get ready. But I will do this work in next class. Okay. So till then you have to wait. Goodbye and take care of yourself.